Hi guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today I'd like to do a quick unboxing on the COFDM to HDMI demodulator. Our code is the DE-MOD-HDMI. This device is meant to be used with our range of HDMI modulators, the MOD-HDMI. Let's have a look quickly what's inside of the box there. Obviously it comes with a remote, takes AAA batteries. We have a 3.5mm to RCA cable. We have a 5-volt power supply. We have the extender eye that plugs into the actual device. It takes a USB cable. And we have our actual demodulator. So this device will take a digital RF signal in and convert it back to HDMI. Please note that this is only compatible with a digital RF signal, no analog RF signals. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with one of our branches. We'll do our best to assist. Have a great day.